Hey cruisers, welcome back to Gearathon, 26 days of gear reveals and reviews. We decided to have a little fun today and Mr. Cruise Tips TV is going to surprise me with an item. What is it, Mr. Cruise Tips TV? Hit it. Ah, what is this? All right, you guys, Mr. Cruise Tips TV has surprised me with an item we're going to unbox together. It is a URBO digital luggage scale with integrated power bank and flashlight. You got me a triple threat. Well, I guess we're gonna find out what this does together. I feel like I saw you looking at this on Amazon a while ago. Did you? Did you look at it? Okay, cool. Well, let's unbox this together and determine if we think it would be good for a cruise. Welcome back, you guys, to Gearathon, by the way. Hope you're enjoying it. Ooh, that's a nice little case it comes in anyway. Check this out. Ooh, very nice. It looks like a sunglasses case. Let's open it up and see what it is. Ooh, okay, so it's orange and black. Here's what it looks like on first glance. I have no idea what this thing does or what it is. Cool. Do you think it looks cool? Yeah, I do. It's nice, huh? Okay, so, I'm going to look for a power button. Let's see, that seems like a good place to start. All right, so it just popped up and it looks like the scale portion is there. So, what is this in the back? I wonder how you get it to measure stuff. This looks like something you need to hook to it to get the scale to work. What do you think, Mr. Cruise Tips TV? How does this work? Does this just hook in here like that? Well, you guys, I'm gonna have to read the instructions. Ooh. I say test the flashlight. Test the flashlight. Okay, let's test the flashlight. Oh, I don't even see a power button for that. I wonder if you just press on that. It says units. Oh, okay, so it's switching back and forth between kilograms, pounds, and grams. Oh, that, and ounces. Oh, wow, so it can measure kilograms, grams, ounces, and pounds. That's really neat. I might have to pull up the instructions here because I'm getting a little bit nervous about this. Are there not any instructions in here? I think I see a little instruction card. Oh, yes, there it is. Digital luggage scale with integrated power bank and flashlight. Oh boy, I don't know about this. I'm not sure you guys are liking this live TV. It's not going so well. All right, so yeah, that strap, looks like you slide that strap into the back somehow. I'm gonna go ahead and try to do that. It looks like you slide it into the side like that. Ugh. I feel like I'm jabbing it in there. Mr. Cruise Tips TV, what have you done to me? Do you want to try it, honey? Here, you try it. I'll read the instructions while you do that. Okay, so let's see what we do here. Yeah, it says your luggage scale comes with a detachable, easy to use strap. Hook the strap to the underside of the scale when you want to weigh luggage. So it tells you how to slide it in, but it really didn't seem like it was working. Okay, then you loop that end around the luggage strap and hook it around the buckle of your suitcase and then hold up a suitcase. That's pretty cool. Did you get it? Okay, so let me try that. This is really funny. So yeah, he got it on there, and then it looks like you hook it around like what, like this? Like that? Okay, so then I guess what you would do is you would take your suitcase. Let's see if we can find something to weigh here. Yeah, let's take my handy dandy new travel-on bag and hook it around like that. Did I do it right, Mr. Cruise Tips TV? Okay, oh, you guys, it's really easy. Once you figure it out, how much does this weigh? Let's turn it around. Oh, okay, it weighs 1.92 pounds. I'm not sure you can see that, but there it is. Let's switch modes. Okay, so 870 grams. Ooh, I'm kind of liking the conversion thing. That's really fun. And then, so that would be 30.5 ounces, 0.87 kilograms, and again, 1.92 pounds, and I just dropped it on the floor. So that's pretty cool. So wait, didn't we say this had 3 features? And have we found the flashlight yet? It's a charger. It's a charger. Oh, there's the USB right there. And what is this, micro USB? That's a charger. Okay, so USB and micro USB. So then let's find out how to use the flashlight. This is fun. I kind of like this. How to use the flashlight. The flashlight can only be activated when the luggage scale is switched off. Okay, so we'll power it off. The weight selector button then acts as the power button for the flashlight. Oh, okay, so you just press the unit key while it's powered off, the weight selector, and then it comes right on. Oh, I'm sorry, I flashed him. Boom, boom, boom. This is pretty cool. You know what I like about this, Mr. Cruise Tips TV? What do I like about it? Do you know? The colors? It's like me. It's small but mighty. No, it's tiny, you guys. Like, this is not a deterrent for me. Oh, there's the charging thingy, the charging cable. You can see why I'm the one who's doing the unboxing. Really, I shouldn't be doing this. But yeah, I'd say this is a really fun little item for a cruise. Are we gonna give them a link in the description box below? Is this an Amazon item? How fun. Well, I like it. Good job, Mr. Cruise Tips TV. You totally surprised me. Hope you all enjoyed this. Thank you all so very much for watching and for joining us for Gearathon. I guess I should say this one more time, but until tomorrow, get in gear and get cruising. Bye-bye.